American motorcycle brand Harley-Davidson may be looking to wind up its assembly operations in India due to weak sales and lack of future demand. According to a media report, the iconic brand has sent out feelers to a few automakers through consultants for a possible outsourcing arrangement using its assembly facility at Bawal in Haryana. The report suggests that the talks are at a preliminary stage and Harley officials are planning to exit India also because they do not see future growth or demand. The decision to exit India is apparently in line with the rewire strategy outlined by Harley-Davidson's Chairman, President and Chief Executive Officer Jochen Seitz. The new strategy will focus on about 50 markets, mainly in North America, Europe and parts of Asia Pacific that represent the majority of the volume for the company and its growth potential. The rewire strategy will also relook at new products and focus on Harley-Davidson's traditional strengths as a brand. The Harley-Davidson Bronx, a street fighter which was supposed to be a new sportier motorcycle, has been taken off the company's future model section on the website, along with the Pan America, which would be the brand's first adventure tourer. Audi India is all set to bring its most powerful SUV, the RS-Q8, on 27th of August 2020. The company launched the Q8 earlier this year and now the more powerful version follows suit. Audi India has already opened bookings for the RS-Q8 in the country and it is the fourth model from Audi India to be introduced this year and the second RS model after the new generation RS7. The coupe SUV draws power from the 4-litre twin-turbo V8 engine that develops 600 brake horsepower and a whopping 800 Nm of peak torque. The motor is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The bi-turbo V8 gets a mild hybrid system with a 48-volt main electrical system. The coupe SUV is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.8 seconds and has a top speed of 305 km per hour. The RS-Q8 competes against a number of offerings including the Porsche Cayenne Coupe, BMW X6M and the likes. We expect it to be priced above the 2 crore rupee mark. Benelli India has confirmed that it will be launching 7 BS6 motorcycles over the course of the next few months. These motorcycles include the TRK 502, TRK 502X, Leoncino 500, 302S, 302R, Leoncino 250 and the TNT 600i. At present, the only BS6 Benelli motorcycle on sale is the Imperiale 400 which was launched in July this year. All the 7 motorcycles were on sale in India in the BS4 guise and all bikes will make the transition to the new emission regulations. The company hasn't revealed details about the launch timelines of each motorcycles though. With respect to pricing, the BS6 Benelli motorcycles are expected to see a hike of around 15 to 20,000 rupees over the BS4 versions.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.